Hi everybody, Michelle Zolba from wildlynaturalskincare.com, and this video is just going to be a short video to show you how I strain out my finished medicinal oils using an old t-shirt. I've referred a lot to this old t-shirt straining method in some of my other videos, and so I figured I would show you how I do that exactly. So here I have an old t-shirt that I cut. So, you know, it's still 2 layers, which is great. That's what we need. I have my measuring cup that I'll be pouring my oil into, and then a strainer that fits into the measuring cup. So all I'm going to do is just go ahead and put my t-shirt right in there, line the strainer with it. Take my finished medicinal oil, and I have finished calendula oil here, and pour it all in. All right in there, and then I'll make sure I get all my oil out and all the little bits of herb and everything out using a spatula. Okay, and then I like to kind of spread the herb out, you know, just make sure it's all spread out evenly. Give it a little press with the spatula. You can see that it's, you know, it's straining out of the bottom there on its own too. And then when I'm ready to really press it, I take the 4 corners of the t-shirt, I take them together, and then I kind of bring up any openings like this, and then just squeeze, 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 squeeze. You gotta really squeeze it hard. You want to make sure you get all of that oil out. It's all precious gold there. Just keep on squeezing. And see, the t-shirt's really nice to use because you have something to grip onto when you're squeezing, as opposed to if you're just squeezing the herbs, it can get tricky to get all of the oil out. Okay, so squeeze some more here, and you can see how much you really get out when you squeeze it hard. You could also use a press if you have one. I like to use presses when I make tinctures. With oils, I don't use presses quite as much, mostly because I find it's just a little bit messy for the press. But anyways, there we go. Got all the oil out, and then I already have it in a nice spouted container there. Make sure I go ahead and got some extra oil on my hands. It's one of the benefits when you strain herbal oils, you get nice and moisturized. Okay, so then I can just go ahead, I got a clean jar here, pour all of my finished oil right into the clean jar. Once again, use that spatula to get any extra out of there. And then once this is all done, I'll get a label and make sure that I write what it is and how long it has steeped for, and anything else that's important about it that I think I'd like to know for later. And that's it. That's how I strain my herbal oils using old t-shirts. It's a lot cheaper than cheesecloth. You don't have to buy it, and I find that it works a lot better as well. So I hope that you learned a lot today. Please be sure to stop by my website, wildlynaturalskincare.com, for more information on herbal oils, herbs for skincare, and more. And thank you.